All right, the T-51 Mustang is a control stick flown aircraft. Has a stick in front of the pilot right between your legs. You push forward to go down, you pull back to go up, left turns you left, right turns you right. And so it's just like the original P-51 Mustang. And all of that is done using this control stick assembly that we're going to install now. Very exciting piece to put in place and takes us one step further to getting this plane into the air. This assembly allows us to move the stick forward and aft. Both the pilot and the passenger in back, their sticks move in unison, and it allows you to then get a feel for the aircraft. Now, it also includes in the design that Titan Aircraft did something called a force multiplier. Force multiplier means that it's set up with ratios so that the pilot can put smaller inputs in and the passenger puts larger inputs in. Makes it easier to fly from the back for someone less experienced. Now, this is just the stick assembly itself, but to actually get to the exciting part of that, we put this nylon bushing in place and a control stick tube that goes ahead of that. So all of this goes into place, and then we get to the real business end of this. We contacted Kevin Williamson of Tostin Manufacturing, who makes the most amazing control sticks. These are military style grips that allow you to customize all of the buttons and switches and controls so you don't have to take your hand off of that control stick while you're flying. Your left hand is on the throttle, your right hand is on the stick, and we got to do this custom build where we decided that we put on the top this hat switch that allows you to do the trim for the rudder trim and then also the elevator trim. And then we have a flap control right there on the stick. We have our trigger button, which instead of guns, we'll be controlling smoke in our T-51 Mustang. And then we have push to talk and autopilot controls. And there's even this little hidden button right down here underneath that trigger switch, which can be used for autopilot disconnect or whatever else we choose to use it for. So we were able to custom build this. Real special thanks out to Kevin for customizing both the front and rear grips for us. And let's get to work. Let's put it together and show you how this is going to look in our final product for this Titan T-51 Mustang from SocialFlight. All right, so our control assembly is now in place in the T-51 Mustang. It's now time to do the actual control sticks and control tubes themselves. Now, over time, we're going to actually figure out what the best length of those control tubes are, and that's going to be based on comfort, height, the instrument panel, and other factors for both the pilot and the co-pilot in the rear seat. And so what we now need to do is put them in with our best guess and actually get them all assembled into place. So let's get to work on that. So that's it for our control stick assembly on our Titan T-51D Mustang. Special thanks to Kevin Williamson and Toston Manufacturing. The really impressive grips that we got that we were able to completely customize to our needs. They had exactly the switches that we wanted in exactly the locations that we specified. It's really impressive, and the build quality is fantastic. If you are building an aircraft that could use a grip, I would strongly recommend that you check out Toston Manufacturing. They even had a relay box which helped translate the hat switch on top of that grip to controlling our rudder and our elevator trim. So everything was really covered by it, and the build quality again was really, really impressive. We're excited to fly behind it. Be sure to check out SocialFlight.com and the SocialFlight mobile apps. There are tens of thousands of aviation events and destinations. The $100 hamburger, of course, is there for all the places that you could fly to, and of course the Fly to Win challenge, where you can compete to win from tens of thousands of dollars of prizes. It's all there. And subscribe to us here on our YouTube channel, as well as liking us on Facebook. Every time that we see that, you're a candidate to win one of these very cool T-51D Mustang t-shirts, and be sure to let us know your thoughts. We're always here to reply. For Social Flight, I'm Jeff Simon. Blue skies.